Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's in store for you for the month of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's what the cards are. So let's see what's there for Librans for this month. What's there for Librans for this month? So we have the death card, the Page of Cups, the Nine of Swords, the Page of Wands, the Six of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, Strength, the Justice, and the Knight of Wands. So Librans, what I feel here is that something has definitely ended in your life. Some chapter has come to a closure. It is a time of a major transformation or a major change or a transition in your life right now. And it's not right now, but I think you've already experienced it. And somehow what I feel is that it was because it's like somebody was opening up emotionally to you or towards you. This person was opening up towards you emotionally, and perhaps you ended it. It's something like that. Okay, so there was an offer being made to you and you chose to end it for some reason, or it ended for whatever reason, and it has brought you a lot of anxiety. Okay, now you are, so the end of this love offer, I should say, for whatever reason you did it or it happened, whatever it was, it has caused a lot of anxiety, a lot of sleepless nights in your life. Okay, so you basically are really unhappy at the way it has ended, either, or the fact that it has ended. And now you want a new beginning. With the Page of Wands and the Six of Wands, with the Ten of Pentacles, you are wanting a new beginning, and you will be successful in that. Now you want commitment. Okay, so I'm not saying that it is with the same person or some other person, that I'm not sure, but yes, there has been a love offer which has been rejected by you, maybe the other person, but yes, that situation has come to an end, though it caused a lot of anxiety and sleepless nights on your part. But now you are ready for a new beginning, and you will be successful in that because you are looking for a commitment. Okay, so maybe this is the time you are actually, this can be your present moment or a present state in which you are actually stabilizing your relationship or looking forward to one. Okay, so you are here wanting a commitment, stabilizing your family life and your relations. Okay, so you've taken a new beginning, you've been very, very successful in that, you are very successful in that, and you are getting that stability, that commitment, that long term, what you've been looking for. Okay, and then we have the Strength, the Justice, and the Knight of Wands. So here there is a situation somehow which has to be sorted out, or a decision has to be made to balance that situation, and it doesn't seem to be an easy situation, because it is really requiring a lot of effort on your part, or a lot of strength on your part, to take that decision. Okay, so there is something which has to be sorted out, something which needs to be balanced, and it can be a tough decision on your part, but you have to do it, or you want to take it, you want to take that decision. And with the Knight of Wands, what I feel is this is you have it's like you have the passion to rush in towards something or someone over here. Okay, and maybe that is the decision which has to be made, or it is requiring you to sort of lower down your impulses and sort of go slow. It can be that also. But what I feel is, as for now, you are in a commitment, but there is a decision which has to be made to balance the situation, whatever that situation is in your life, and you really want to rush in towards that person or towards that situation. You have the impulse and the passion of doing it. Okay, whatever that is for you. Okay, maybe you need to go slow is the guidance. Seven of Hearts is the message from this deck. So it is talking about confusion. Maybe you are multitasking. Maybe you have many options to choose. Maybe you are being indecisive. There is something like that. So maybe that is the decision which has to be taken to balance something or to make the right decision amongst so many choices which you have. And maybe you are being impulsive in choosing or making a decision, and you need to go slow perhaps. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. A win-win solution. Number 14 may be of some significance for you. There is strength in diversity. By blending the ideas of other people with your own, you can often come up with a solution that is magnificent. Start by focusing on the aspects that everyone agrees upon, and then open your mind to compromise and working together. Stay balanced and seek out a moderate approach. So that is your guidance from the angels. So now I'll be exploring the reading further on Patreon. The link of that is given in the description box below of the extended reading. If you're most welcome to join me there, and if you just wish to be till here on YouTube, thanks for being here. Thanks for helping, subscribing. Bye. Thank you.